What is going on today, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to remove a GM window crank from a Squarebody. I've only got this one sitting on there so I can show you the back of it. So basically, this little clip holds it onto the actual regulator itself. So we just have to get that clip out once it is installed. So basically I will install it like this, just so y'all can... All right, so now that it is attached, they do make a special tool for this, but I will just be using a hook pick. And how we will remove it is, let me try to get y'all a good camera angle so I can actually see the clip down in there. We just get our hook pick in there and pull back. Then the clip will come out. Come on, focus. And then you are able to remove the window crank. Now, to reinstall the window crank, you will just get your clip. I just use a pair of like needle nose pliers and just press it back into those two grooves. And that is all it takes to remove a GM window crank. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.